excited. I can't wait. Yes. Hi guys, editing Ziya here. I just started to edit this video and I don't know what happened to my intro. Like half of it is just gone. So in this video I'm going to be dyeing a sweatsuit for myself because I have been seeing them online and I saw some on Misguided, I think, or was it Pretty Little Thing? One of those that were plus size, but the hoodie itself was like almost $50, and then the sweatpants were I think about the same price, or maybe like 30 something. It just cost a lot more money than I wanted to spend. So I ordered my own hoodie and sweatpants, both in white, from Walmart. They're both Champion products from Walmart. I don't play with like the expensive Champion stuff from like Urban Outfitters and Neiman Marcus and stuff like that. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Anyway, let's get into the part of the video that I do have for you guys. I got this tulip one-step tie-dye kit from Target. This is the vibrant one. I was looking for one to use and I didn't know which one to choose. I was looking at a bunch of them and I saw Learning to Be Fearless do this, and she used this set. And I also, the first person I actually watched dye her stuff was Nicole Guerrero, and so I'm basically gonna follow like what she did because hers seemed to come out really good. I really like all the blue shades that they have. They have mint, teal, turquoise. I think I'm gonna use either teal and salmon or turquoise and salmon, or maybe I should just do one color. I don't know. But if this doesn't go well, Champion at Walmart is cheap. So let's just go. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Yes. Alright you guys, I just spent like 45 minutes trying to get my color right. Let's push this out of the way because that's thinner. You can't really see on camera. This is the deepest version that I got. I mixed my dye and then I poured the rest of it out because I didn't want it to be like super intense. This is pretty intense though, I feel. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I soaked my sweatpants and my hoodie. The hoodie I believe is a 2X, men's 2X. My sweats are a women's extra large. That was the only size that was available at the time. Did I mention that I have never tie-dyed something before in my life? If I have, it was before I can remember. I have my hoodie here. What I didn't realize before I bought it was that the hood is gray, which kind of sucks, but it's not a big deal. It'll look fine. It is wet. I did wring it out as much as I could. So I'm gonna do the crinkle technique because I don't like the swirl very much. Hello, Mr. O. I'm gonna need you to stay away. Stay away, sir. Sorry. think that's as good as this one's going to get. Now let's move on to the sweatpants. That was so much harder than I expected, but I'm done with it now, and now they're just sitting in garbage bags. I was considering trying to put them in Ziplocs, but I knew that wasn't going to work for me. We'll see what happens. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I'm thinking I may have added too much color because I was going into the little crevices and trying to get in there too, but we'll see. Regardless, it's really pretty color, so even if it's not like as tie-dyed as I would like, I think it's still gonna look pretty cool. They say to leave it for 24 hours, I guess. I'm gonna wash it out in the morning at around 8, so we'll see how it looks. You guys, I love how this looks, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is so freaking cute. Oh! I'm so proud of it. I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna take you off of here. Gotta go in the mirror. My mirror is dirty. I love it. I think it looks so cute. It came out really, really well. It fits perfectly. This would look so cute with like a cropped hoodie. These sweatpants are also like super high-waisted on me, which works out really, really well. The Champion logo on this for some reason is gray. That's not a big deal anyway, because if I'm wearing my hoodie with it, it covers it. That's everything. It's actually really warm today, so not a good time to have on a sweatsuit, especially in makeup. Whew, girl, there's too much. Can't and I don't want to. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry about the background noise. Somebody's like weed whacking or mowing their lawn or something, and I can't close my windows because I am burning up, and y'all know that I melt so fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.